So we got out here a little late this morning. We ended up getting in at like 10 o'clock last night and didn't get to bed till 11. There's about a foot of snow out here, and came down to our glassing point. Ran into a couple hunters that were glassing pretty much the same country, and they went ahead and let us drop below them. And we started after a pretty nice 3x3, pretty big buck, and they ended up paralleling us, and we met up, and they were going after the same deer. So we just let them go ahead to try to shoot that deer. And as they were hiking down there, this fog just rolled in. So it pretty much took all our visibility away for right now. We're gonna head back to the house, throw on some dry socks. We decided to wear muck boots this morning. Definitely not built for hiking, so we're gonna saddle up the horses this afternoon and head out further, try to get away from some of this pressure. But been seeing some good bucks. Seen like 7 bull elk this morning, 1 decent bull, so it's been a good day so far.
For each other like a bullet from a gun, faster than the sheriff's drawing, hotter than the sun. Didn't see it coming lately, I've been on the run. You know you've seen my face before, so let me tell you something. Darling, you fell in love with the famous man. See my pictures posted everywhere across the land. And if you run with me, you got to understand that you're holding on to a dangerous hand. If I want it, would you still want me? 'Cause babe, I want it. Do you still want me?
Reload. Get back on. Hit him again if you can. Shit. Take your time. Just wait. Let's just wait a second, okay? Catch your breath. He's still standing there.
Okay, but I aimed right at him.
I know, and just calm down. Just calm down, okay? Just wait. He doesn't even know you're shooting at him. Okay, he's walking. Just took a step. Don't take that shot, okay? Okay. If he stops there. Alright. As seen in the previous video, Emily unfortunately missed that buck. After we shot at him, he bedded back down right away, just on the other side of the hill. He just didn't even know anyone was shooting at him. So we went down there, tried to put a move on him. Whoa. Got back on him at like 70 yards, but it was gonna be like a jump shot, shoot from the hip type thing, and didn't see that working out. So we headed back up the hill. We still got the whole afternoon to hunt. It's only like noon or 1. We're gonna eat some lunch, glass hard tonight, and hopefully turn up another buck. So hope you guys are enjoying this one. It's been fun. Right on the shoulder, okay?
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's a hit. He's reload. He's gonna fall over right there. Hold on. Yeah, he's dead. You're not gonna have to shoot that one again. Good job, babe. Does that reboost your confidence a little bit? You made a great shot on him. Oh yeah, he's dead. He's pretty.
He is pretty. He is little. Oh,
It's your first buck.
it's my first buck though. At least he's full grown.
Yeah,
Here,
he's pretty. I'm just taking a video. Let me grab some photos. All right, we just got Emily's deer all loaded up. The one she shot last night. And gonna head back up, hop on our horses. We're gonna head a couple drainages over and hunt this evening. We got one more tag to fill and about 2.5 days to do it. So hopefully we can find a good buck.
I think you hit him. I think he's just standing there.
All right, we just came down the hill a little bit and got eyes back on that buck. He was bedded in the trees down here. His head was still up. You could tell he looked hurt though, but we went ahead and hit him with a follow-up shot. So I watched him go down this time, so we're gonna go down there and check him out. All right, we got our buck right up here. I just want to say, like, going into this hunt, expectation-wise, like, I had something in my mind, but this is definitely above and beyond what I could have hoped for on a unit like this. I think we got a pretty good deer up here, and I'm just so blessed that Emily was here with me, and we both tagged out. You know, this was something pretty special, which is cool. So let's go get our hands on them.
Wow, babe.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on, let me get up there.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Thank you so much, buddy. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? He's way bigger than I thought. Oh, that's incredible. All right, everyone. We got him down the hill here. Like I said before, he's really more than I could have asked for in a buck on this hunt. I am so blessed to kill a buck of this caliber, and I'm happy to see him in here too. So he's gonna be some work. We killed Emily's buck last night, and so we came out late this morning to pack her meat out. And so we got the horses up on top of the hill here, and we were gonna, I think we seen this buck last night, because right before we shot hers, we seen a big 4x4, and I wanted to come to this drainage because I saw him run up into this drainage. I can't say for sure, he was like 500 yards when I saw him, but nonetheless, it's an incredible animal. We're gonna get him processed, and we're gonna try to get both these bucks off the mountain today, which is sweet.